so we're kind of in a time crunch. Supposed to be somewhere in 5 minutes, and still eating my Chick-fil-A, but I just got some nuggets today because we were kind of running late, so trying to eat these fries and get there on time, so I'm not going to vlog too much, but yeah. So we're shopping, have a few little things, so but I'm looking for these jogging pants on that model, but I can't find them in my size. So the Ipsy came today, so I'm just going to quickly do a little unboxing. Ooh, this is a cute bag. Kind of springy, but so cute. So, inside, first thing I see is something for your nails. Next, I see a pumpkin turmeric 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask. And it has an orange as its, I guess this is like a face mask. Super cute packaging. Next, ooh, we have some Tarte Amazon Play 12-hour full coverage foundation. So we got a little bit of some Tarte foundation to try it out. Next we have, this is just like a pale kind of lip gloss, like finisher top coat, and there's that. And then last thing I see, and I think we've gotten one of these before, this is a highlighter. Yeah, we do have one. We've done one of these before, so this box does not want to open. So here's the packaging, and we have gotten one of these before. So there's the top packaging, and the color is a lot lighter, so I'll probably use this one a lot more. Super pretty, so that's great. And then you know the little card. So I think my favorite was probably the Tarte foundation and the highlighter. So yeah, there's my Ipsy haul. Okay guys, so it's a little later, but I'm honestly feeling a lot better. As you can tell, my voice is better. I did my hair. We went to church this morning. And yeah, so I was just going to show you everything that I got at Old Navy yesterday. So first off, I got these adorable little cactus socks. I mean, I couldn't say no. There's 3 pairs, so there's these. Some gray with like the cactus on the top. And then white ones with little planters like around them. Those are adorable. Then I kind of like getting crazy socks because I kind of wear them with my softball pants a lot. So I got these cute little Mario ones. And then I got 2 pairs of like bottoms. I got these shorts. They're very cute and flowery, and I really like them. And I got a pair of leggings that I'm actually going to wear today probably. These hangers are weird. I don't know why they just didn't take them off at the store. So anyways, here's the leggings. Here's the front. They have like this kind of reflective material, and they also have a little bit of mesh right here that I just now saw, and then like the bottoms are mesh, as you can see. So probably going to wear these today to softball practice. And yeah, that's my little Old Navy haul.